Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to check link history on Instagram. So if you want to check the link history on your Instagram account here, then you can get it done. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you open it, then you tap on the profile icon, then you tap on this three lines button at the right top corner of the screen. Tap on it, then you tap on your activities. Yeah, from there you scroll down a little, then you tap on link history. Right here you can view all the links that have been shared on this Instagram account so far, the list of links you have clicked on, and the list of links that are connected to your Instagram account. And that's it. You can check them all. In case you want to have access to any of the link, just tap on the link, then you can play around with the link. I'll probably get back some links that you might want to stay connected to, and that's it. Find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.